Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel TWH Academy. Today we are going to learn about action verbs by little activities. You have to choose correct action verb by watching action. Let's check your mind by watching actions. The first one is I can dash very fast. Option number 1 jump, option 2 walk, option 3 run, option 4 spin. Think about the correct answer is run. The next one I dash milk at the time. Option 1 eat, option 2 meet, option 3 cook and option 4 drink. The correct answer is drink. Next one I can dash the mountain. Option 1 draw, option 2 write, option 3 carry and option 4 climb. The correct answer is climb. The next one she likes to dash her clothes. Option 1 draw, option 2 wash, option 3 cut and option 4 carry. Think about the correct answer is wash. The next one he is dash a car. Option 1 riding, option 2 cleaning, option 3 driving and option 4 walking. The correct answer is driving. The next one he was dash in the pool. Option 1 swimming, option 2 washing, option 3 running and option 4 riding. The correct answer is swimming. The next one is I can dash a kite. Option 1 wash, option 2 fly, option 3 wear, option 4 draw. The correct answer is fly. The next one she will dash the floor. Option 1 cut, option 2 spit, option 3 put and option 4 mop. Think about the correct answer. The correct answer is mop. So alright, thanks for watching my video. If you are fresh on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting my new videos. And if anyone is interested in online tuition, then he or she can contact me by email, which is showing on your screen. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.